looking for a great ribeye steak, you want to make sure you have the fat cap on, because that's what gives this cut such amazing flavor. You're going to see grass raised, so the fat's going to be a little bit wider. We're also going to have make sure the fat cap is in the middle, nice and thick. You don't want a thin steak. Grass fed, it doesn't get much better than this. We have the benefit of using a wood-fired pizza oven, so we're keeping it at about 500 degrees right now. For those of you who don't have the wood-fired pizza oven or live in a condo, a cast iron fry pan is your go-to for cooking a great steak. Where it sears it really nicely. You can preheat the oven to 450, put the cast iron fry pan in with your Nutrafarms ribeye, and you're gonna have a perfect steak all the time, and I'm gonna show you that in just a minute. So we're gonna do about 5 minutes on either side, bring it out. If you have a meat thermometer, 120 to 130, medium rare, and it just goes up from there. I didn't put any oil or butter in the pan because you have the beautiful marbling of the ribeye steak. That's going to render down and give you this beautiful, and you'll see it in just a second, how the oil comes out of the steak. As I mentioned, you can just see how the fat's starting to render down. We're just going to turn it once. 5 minutes either side, looks great. We're gonna bring it out, let it rest in the pan, it's still gonna cook in the pan because the pan is nice and hot. Smells amazing. We've let it rest for a couple minutes. Now we're going to cut it on a bias. Just going to see how, look at that. Nice and tender. For beautiful grass-fed Ontario beef ribeye steaks, go to nutrafarms.ca. It's perfectly done. That's a perfect medium rare steak.